Maharajah jungle trek.
Do we have to walk on this one?
The maps are gone.
Oh, if we get lost, we're just lost.
Oh, there he goes, way back here. You can see his butt.
What? There's the lizard.
Oh, there's one in the corner here.
Oh no.
Okay, that was fun. What was that?
Look pretty. Is that a girl in the ground? Well, let's see what's up here.
Tigers.
Tiger.
I'm gonna hate you.
We died.
If we die.
Here, y'all get my sign. One of y'all make a sign of it. Jordan, look. Look at me. Or not stand in front of the sign. Like that. I stand in front of the sign. Not like standing in front of the sign.
What you doing out there, bud?
Good. We should bring Whitwinker back to souvenirs.
Something was crawling through there.
Huh?
Said something was crawling down through there. Don't see nothing.
Oh, yeah. Well, no.
Don't call me that. I ain't dead. Oh, there it is. Here.
What?
That's a donkey, bro. That's a donkey.
Here's
No.
Mom, text it.
That's a donkey.
You filming this week?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Carlos.
Let's get it.
Can we try and wait you back a tiger?
Where you're going. Supposedly there's something in there. There it is.
Snake.
Oh, what is that?
Giant centipede.
Ugh.
White-lipped tree frog.
Tree frog.
What?
He's almost to the beat of my pants.
Where's the white leopard?
Did you? The white one for your ladies trying to get the house.
It's a guitar. Starting tune good.
Where's the bats at? Oh, there they are. Whoa, they're big. Over here. Whoa, I hate to say it, guys, but we're way out in the open.
Huh? There's another one.
Look, I could.
No, another thing.
Get these over here.
Oh,
wow. Look at
I've seen them back. Don't look at me, I'm ugly.
They're red.
Look at that one right there.
He's like, Ted. See that one over there?
Cool.
Oh, man.
Well, that was bats.
So. Oh God.
Blood python.
Won't you touch it?
I would, but they got it locked up. Too bad.
Someone forgot to feed him. Like, Larry, did you feed the pterodactyl today? Oh no, I forgot to do it. Then I gotta do it. Boss, we got a situation over here.
What's up here?
I
Think we are. Tigers are that way. Oh, I'm excited.
Well, here's the Expedition Everest shore. Here's the ride. Going upstairs.
Oh, they're up here.
Something over there.
There they are.
Excuse me.
What?
The tiger.
Tiger.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Tiger over there.
Ew, is that a hippo? I think
They ain't playing in the water.
Y'all go play in the water. Lazy bum. Oh. Hey, tiger. Yeah, the tiger's right there in front of us.
Oh, it's a big old big.
Oh, he's looking at
It's
me.
very pretty.
So jump in here.
Mama,
Okay.
he's looking at me.
He's like, oh, okay. Oh.
Mama got all
Snapping
the
pillow. Yeah, we'll throw you over there.
Oh.
Hamburger meat.
Ain't it pretty?
Oh, she's got Baba.
I'm going to check up on Larry.
Alright.
Take a picture. Oh, somebody wants.
Did it hurt your feelings that someone took a picture?
Yes, it did. A tiger. Oh, kids carrying our popcorn.
And I'm positive none of the birds will find them.
That only like the cat. What makes you think they want an even bigger size the cat?
I know Charles all the best ever on Primus.
Bring tiger. Yeah, sure. You can do whatever you want. You got a tiger right now. There's more tigers over there too. Cleaning up the ball. Cleaning up the ball. My ball ready. I'm cleaning up the ball.
Look!
Yeah, boy.
Ain't too thrilled about watching us, I can tell you that.
Tigers ain't doing nothing. I want to see them fight. I want to see them fight. I just want to see them. That's all I do is Disney. Yeah.
Jackson, did you see it right there?
Grooming himself.
That's the one that was about to cancel.
Huh?
Come on, Catherine!
Where's she going?
But I got it for you guys.
Oh, they're gone. Mama!
Hey, you'll be alright.
Come back. There's something amazing I had to show her though. The tiger cleaning.
Whatever.
It's a good view of it too. Tigers, I mean totally.
Now we come up to
And yeah, they're gonna come up to a gate with those tigers over there. Yeah,
Tiger food.
it's a real good idea.
I went up and looked at that tiger thing, and it actually like narrows down. And they got a long way to go.
We do. He's coming. He won't see us.
Scared.
It's a bird.
Look, Mama.
What are they?
I'm gonna take a break.
No, that's a moose.
There's another peacock over there.
Check it.
Oh, they're hiding. You not believe I were talking to me?
Mom, that's a big bull. That's a bull.
Oh, look, there's one up there.
Hey, bull.
It was a bull.
There's a peacock.
No, I see two.
Hey, Derek, is okay?